Good morning, students. I am Nabiullah Siddiqui, your computer teacher, and I hope you are all well and following the lockdown in your homes. So, up to my last video, I told you about the Python pandas, data frame creation, data frame value extraction, adding and deleting columns, iterating over the data frame, and descriptive functions mean, median, mode, etc. So, today we will explain some more function, which we are having two functions, sum and count function. So after watching today's video, you will be able to use these functions with the data frame efficiently. So next we are studying is we are having a data frame, example data frame, which is having the detail of sales of year 2016, 17, 18 and 19. So it is having 4 quarters for the 3 years 16, 17 and 18, and only the first quarter for the 2019. Namely, the data frame is cell df here dot pd is equal to data frame di cells, and the data frame output is here. So the data frame is created with the name cell df, so that we will refer into the example. So next we are having count function. The count function returns or counts non-NA entries for each row or column, where NA entry means NA means none values, NaN values, NAT values, etc., whichever applicable here. And the syntax is data frame object dot count axis is equal to 0, numeric only is equal to false. So axis is equal to 0 is default value, numeric is equal to false is by default is false. So how it will work? Here we are having the example cell df dot count. Cell df dot count, it is counting. I have not given any argument in that count function, though it will work with along with the axis 0, which is column wise. So for the first column 2016, it is giving 4, 17 4, 18 4, and 2019 it is giving 1, because these columns are having only these values, and 2019 is having a single value with 3 NA columns, so it is counting only the value, not the NA columns. Same here for the x is equal to 1, it is counting the data for the rows along with the rows. So for qtr1 4 data, and for qtr3 2, 3 and 4 only 3 data. Next we are having here sum function. The sum function returns the sum of the values. So the sum of the values along with the axis, required axis, and the function is having the syntax like data frame dot sum parenthesis axis skipna none numeric value, numeric only, and min count. Axis skipna numeric only are the previous arguments, and here the new argument is min count. So min count is the by default is 0, and min count is the counting the minimum. Next the example we are having here, sum cell df dot sum, which is giving the sum column wise first, and when I specified axis is equal to 1, it is giving the sum as row wise. So for checking these values from where the values are coming, first make the cell df data frame into your copy, then you can check the values are correct and coming from that data frame. Okay, so today we explained count function and the sum function, and these functions are working as aggregate for the whole data frame. Next we will be dealing with the function working with single row or multiple row, not with the whole data frame. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.